Handy Andy, back at it with another unboxing. This time we're doing from a company called Startech. And what we're looking at is a USB-C speakerphone multi-port adapter. If you have a new laptop, you're going to need one of these multi-ports because they just have USB-C. This one claims to also be a speakerphone with 4K HDMI, VGA, and 100 watt pass-through power. So let's go ahead and start this unboxing. I'm really curious to see how this looks like. Let's do the reveal for the first time. Whoa. This kind of looks like a speakerphone, actually. I wouldn't know it's a multi-port, but let's just take a quick look at the design. It says Startech on the front. It does have some icons. Let's go around. Oh, look at that. VGA. You just don't see that anymore. VGA and HDMI. So if you have one of these old monitors, you should be able to plug it in. I actually do have an old monitor, so that's kind of nice to see. Of course, you have just the one HDMI port, two USB-C-A, and here is the USB-C cable that it comes with. I like the fact that it wraps around like that. Opens up. It's quite long. Let's see how long it is. Okay, so it's about maybe 2 feet. Let's move alongside. You have the 5 gigabits per second USB-C port. That's where you put the charging port for your laptop, and then you would connect this in instead. So also a speakerphone on top. So if you're like the type of person that has to take a lot of calls in group settings and you have your laptop with you wherever you go, now you get the best in both worlds, a 2-in-1 device, a speakerphone and also a multi-port adapter for your laptop. Unfortunately, I would have liked to have seen at least one more HDMI port, because if you wanted a 2-monitor setup, you're going to have to use a VGA port and an HDMI. If they had the 2 HDMI, I think a lot of people would like that. Other than that, it does have everything else you would pretty much look for in a multi-port. So this is a really good device for people who are on the go, road warriors, or even if you just have a setup at home, take a lot of calls, do it hands-free. Don't even have to use your phone that way. You can connect it via Bluetooth and use this as a speakerphone, especially if you have a lot of people inside the room. Anyways, folks, that's the end of this review for the Startech multi-port adapter speakerphone. If you are interested in this, please smash the like button, leave your comments below, and you'll find links to purchase this online in the description. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.